What will your starting balance be in a Top 1 Futures live account if you get called up to a live account? I see the question asked often, and I want to break it down in this simple video. Should be pretty short because it's pretty straightforward. Now, if you want to check this stuff out for yourself, which I encourage you to do, should be linked in the video right here. Top 1 Futures, head to the main site, head to the frequently asked questions page from the top of the main page. And if you want to check out one of these accounts, check out the pricing. Code RDF is going to get you the best deals, better than what's in the email, what's on the site, all of the promotions. RDF is going to beat it or at least match it. Right now, it's 55% off across the board. Pretty aggressive deal, but check this stuff out for yourself. If you're watching in the future, might be a different code. Also important for me to note, I am partnered and affiliated with Top 1 Futures. I cannot be unbiased if I stand to make money. Important for you to know that and me to be transparent about that. Now, let's jump into it. We are on the frequently asked questions page here from the main site. This is the path to trading live capital. We're going to scroll down right here to where it says, how do we move funds live? And here's what their breakdown says. You can take with you a maximum of 10% of your starting sim balance. That's what's carried over to a live account. So, for example, if you're trading a 100K account, the max you're going to take with you, regardless of how much profit you have, is $10,000. If you're trading the 150K, even copy trading 3 of the 150Ks, the max you're going to take with you is $15,000. The upper limit is $15,000. That's 10% of the largest account size. Again, if you're trading a 50K, max you're taking with you is 10% of that 50K, $5,000. Now, here's the couple examples they have. One trader's trading a 100K sim-funded account, right? A straight-to-funded sim. They end after their third payout with $9,000 in sim profits. You're going to start a live account with $9,000 if you're called up to a live account. Another example, if a trader has 3 150K sim funded accounts, right, they're copy trading them, they end with $20,000, for example, you're still only taking 10% of one of those, which is $15,000 to that live account. So it's important to note this stuff, I think, on the front end to say, hey, what's the most I'll be able to take with me? So you don't come at these accounts putting up huge numbers expecting to be able to take or start with a huge live funded balance, right? It's just not going to help you. So I think being aware of that can be a benefit to the trader on the front end, saying, hey, most I'm taking with me is 10% of this starting balance. I want to probably be over that if I want to max it out when I finish out a third payout to get called to a live account potentially and take with me 10% of that. So if you end up with, $50,000 in profit across a whole bunch of accounts, it's not going to help you, right? You're still only starting with that 15,000. And again, this is for the standard instant funded accounts. When it comes to the sim funded pro accounts, the straight to funded sim pro accounts, which are the new intraday trailing drawdown, ESS rule, the less expensive accounts, but the ones that have the harder rule set, you are able to take double this amount up to 30,000 total to a live account. Important to note the difference here. These are the common ones that I see a lot of traders trading. So that's what we're talking about here. The same rules apply in the straight to funded Sim Pro, the new accounts, just that you're able to take up to 30,000 total. Now, another important note here, right? If you get called to a live account and if you bring X amount with you, what does that money look like? Can you just withdraw it right away? No, of course not. It is your starting capital. That's your max loss limit. That amount, that $15,000 max, is not withdrawable. They're not going to pay you out on the third payout and then put you in an account with $15,000 for you to take out. Right? That wouldn't make sense. It would just be another payout. That's your starting live funded amount. That's the total amount that you're able to lose, which is now, in a live account, real money. Any amount that you make in excess of that is available for a withdrawal. Not going to go into all of the details that come in, to talk about what the differences are in a live account, but there's a whole bunch of benefits, as we know. If you become a live trader with one of these firms, with Top 1, it is the ability to request a payout every day, every 24 hours, I think it is. No maximum, caps, no max withdrawal caps. Your max loss limit is your starting balance, right? It says it right there, static drawdown. There is no trailing drawdown. You have daily loss limits and max contract sizes set with a risk manager because these are all individual, right? The path to the live account is very clear to be considered. 3 payouts from the instant funded, the standard instant funded, 2 payouts from the new straight to funded pros. what happens as you're considered and then potentially moved into a live account and what that specific live account looks like with those rules, that's all individual. Depends on every trader's situation, the trading leading into it, a number of different things up to the risk team to assess and work with that individual trader on, right? All of these things as they're considered, right? And you can be moved to a live account beforehand, as they have noted. You could not be moved to a live account at all, right? They could say, hey, this trading was terrible. None of this looks good. Maybe we're going to review you further. Maybe it's good game. Nothing that you did in a sim environment would translate well to a live account. We're not going to put you in a live account to, just lose money. So, but important to note that what you can take with you max. I see it asked a lot. 10%, very simply, 10% of your starting capital based on your profit. So again, if you end with $5,000 in profit, but you're trading a $150K account, you're taking $5,000 with you. If you end with $100,000 in profit because you ran it up like crazy in the sim environment for some reason, you're still only taking maximum $15,000 with you. The remaining balance of that is not going to help you at all. The accounts are put on pause. You are not trading multiple accounts, sim accounts and the live account. You are only trading the one single live account, as we see. That's common across firms. Hope this video helps, guys. If you want to check out me trading, come and hang. I trade live 9:30 a.m. Eastern almost every damn day on YouTube, 100% free. I also run a 100% free Discord community. No VIP feeder program, no course to sell you, none of that stuff. Happy to give you the sauce, at least for me, in my trading, 100% free. Happy to have you on there live with me, 9:30 a.m. tomorrow. I'm there almost every day. Quick disclaimer, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I don't provide financial advice. Trading's risky. Most traders do lose money. Nothing you see or hear from me is a suggestion or recommendation to do anything. It's for entertainment purposes only. Do your own research. Make your own trading decisions. Read CFTC Rule 4.41, which is what this is, even in funded prop firm accounts, and the affiliate and partnership disclaimer that I talked about in the beginning of this video that says I stand to make money from links and codes in my content like Top 1 Futures, RDF, and others. Talk to you guys soon. Smash like, smash subscribe if you made it this long. I appreciate you. See you next time.